Welcome back, guys. This is Tim Murphy with Murphy's Masterpieces, and today we're going to be taking a look at being able to get verified in Canva using a Canva education account. As I have mentioned before, you can get access to Canva and a lot of the pro items, but if you have like a personal account, you would have to pay for those items. But as an educator, you get those items for free, or what they call elements. But in order to get those elements for free, you have to verify that you are actually an educator. And so today we're going to kind of be walking through some of the eligibility requirements that you need, and then also how exactly you do get verified, the different steps and stuff that you would have to take. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's walk through some of the eligibility guidelines that you need to meet in order to be able to get a Canva education account. So first and foremost, please note Canva for Education is currently available for K through 12 or primary or secondary teachers and institutions. It is not currently available for higher education teachers and institutions, colleges, and universities. So pretty much as long as you are a teacher within from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade in high school, you get Canva for Education. If you're a college professor, I'm so sorry. But to access Canva for Education, you must be currently active in one of the following roles. So first, a certified K through 12 primary or secondary teacher from a formally accredited school who is currently in a teaching position, a certified K through 12 primary or secondary school librarian, a certified K through 12 primary or secondary learning support assistant or teacher, a certified K through 12 primary or secondary curriculum specialist, and a certified teacher at a technical or vocational school serving primary or secondary students or the equivalent. And then also the following organizations can also access Canva for Education. So government recognized and must be formally accredited. So K through 12 primary, secondary, or pre-college schools, school districts, departments of education, and other global school systems. Okay, so the biggest thing to kind of take away from this, especially with the eligibility requirements, is that as long as you are a teacher or even a librarian or learning support assistant or teacher, so even like a parapro, curriculum specialist, a lot of people within a school building can get access into Canva. Okay, now here's some other things we want to go ahead and go through. So next, how long does my access to Canva for Education last? Okay, so for as long as you are an active and eligible teacher or organization, all Canva for Education users are prompted to re-verify their credentials every 3 years. So in case, let's say for example, you are a teacher for some certain amount of time, and next thing you know, or you teach for about, we'll say 2 years, okay, then they'll kind of give you that next year kind of a little bit of leeway, but then the following year after that, you'd have to go and re-verify your credentials. Now, if you're not a teacher anymore, then you wouldn't be able to get access into Canva for Education. All right, so who can access Canva for Education? So first, certified K-12 primary secondary teachers who are not currently in teaching positions. So it means literally you need to be inside of a classroom, whether it be traditional or online. Public librarians, for example, city or county librarians, preschool or daycare assistants, homeschool educators who are not licensed or currently employed with a K-12 institution, private, volunteer, or online tutors, colleges, universities, and other higher education institutions, including lecturers and staff, college and university students, continuing further education institutions, adult education institutions, organizations providing extracurricular activities outside of school, nonprofit organizations who are not delivering teaching directly. Please note though, Canva also offers a nonprofit program with its own eligibility guidelines. Early stage startups with an educational focus, parents of children who are in K through 12, primary secondary education. All right, so those are the people who cannot access Canva for Education. Then, how do I prove my eligibility for Canva for Education? If you sign up for Canva for Education with a verified educational email domain, you'll get access right away. Don't have a verified email? No problem. Just upload a photo or scan copy of one of these approved documents and we'll review your application within 48 hours. So here are the list of approved documents. So first, official teacher identification that shows current status, an example, photo or scan of a license/certification indicating teaching qualification, photo or scan showing employment status at a school were requested by us, photo or scan of school ID indicating teaching status, and a document providing an organization's status as a government recognized, formally accredited K-12 primary, secondary, or pre-college educational institution. And I think one of those biggest things right there is I happen to lead in a professional development usually at the beginning of every school year. And a lot of times when we'll tell teachers, hey, you know, you can get access into Canva for education, but they just aren't with the school system just yet. Like they're waiting on just to kind of be approved and everything. This is a great kind of tool to even bring up and say, hey, as long as you do one of these things, you'll get access into it. And that way, once you finally get formal access into the school's, you know, database of amazing resources, then you just make the change over to there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go back up, and we're gonna go over to being able to get verified. So I'm gonna do this on my personal account, since it's already been, my educational account is already verified, but my personal account is not, of course. But I'm gonna kind of walk you through exactly what the steps kind of look like and some of the new things that they've added in since even I had started with Canva for Education. All right, so first and foremost, choose a team to upgrade. So of course we're gonna do my personal team right now. Verify you're an active school teacher and get Canva for Education for free. We might also ask you to upload some documents to help your verification. So first and foremost, they kind of ask a few simple questions like, you know, first name, last name. I'm gonna leave that all in there. Okay, they'll even ask you for your school name, so you just go ahead and type in your school name, of course, wherever you might teach at, whether it be an elementary school, a middle school, or even a high school. Then they'll also ask you for the school address. Now, this is an autofill type of text entry, so as soon as you start typing in like the address for the school, it should pop up. But in case you cannot find the address, you know, popping up, you can just enter the address in manually. This one was a new one for us this year, so asking for the school website. One easy thing that I kind of found was actually going into Google, typing in the school that I was at, or at least others, and I just said, hey, see that school website, copy and paste it over into there. All right, and it made it for a lot easier for those who are still trying to get access into a lot of things. So we're gonna click on continue. Here, I'm gonna type in my school's name. Fort Middle School, 2900 Butcher Farm Road. School website. Oh lordy, I think it was. Hold on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here. Let's see. Give me a second, y'all. Copy link. Paste it. Bam. Press continue. All right, let's see what it's doing. Woohoo! Welcome to Canva for Education. Because you've been verified as a teacher, you get access to all of the Canva's pros features. Why? Because education is a human right. Now click continue. So this was kind of the next thing itself, was being able to create a Canvas course or a Canva course for students to be able to join in. And so if you have like a project or something you want to be able to work on with them or something, that's just fine for you to be able to use. And another bunch of plethora of things. So join teachers all over the world using Canva with their students. We'll treat them to all our Canva teams features free. They'll get their own account plus access to your class. Share interactive activities for them to complete on their own or in groups. Or you can even your designs stay private unless you share them to your class. All right, so we're gonna click on maybe later. And then with that, I'm going to kind of go ahead and come back over here. So Canva for Education is pretty simple to kind of get verified in. Like I said, for my school or my school district, I know that we can get logged in using Google and stuff. But once you get logged in and everything, it doesn't take much to kind of get verified, as you can see, and then also going in and just saying, hey, this is what I want to get access to. All right, but other than that, that is about all that I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions for me, please put them into the comments below. Make sure to check out the Murphy's Masterpieces website, and also check out all the other videos that I have out, so that way, you know, the data and the information keeps on going and going and going. But with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and remember,